Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that's kind of on hold here, waiting for Fed Powell's first Senate testimony. We'll see if he hints at 4 rate hikes or if he keeps it around 3. That's really that one rate hike will probably determine which way stocks head here. One stock that certainly has headed higher has been Apple. We heard Warren Buffett come out yesterday say that was his biggest addition to the portfolio. Stock ripped higher. Important, I think, though, to know that Apple is now trading at the highest valuation over the past 5 years, approaching that 19 PE ratio. The past couple times it exceeded 18 has marked a significant short-term top in Apple. Remember, this is a stock that, although it beat on earnings and revenue, did so at the lowest margin, also guided lower by a fairly large margin on revenue for Q1 of 18. So I think the stock has gotten out over its skis a little bit here. So I'm using the fact that vol has come down sharply here, buying the regular traditional March 180 puts, selling the out of the money March 178 puts that expire this week, doing a put diagonal, have a couple more weeks to sell premium against, and just looking for Apple, which is up 20% since the beginning of February after that post-earnings kind of drop, to at least have some kind of pullback along the way here, given the fact that valuations are stretched. And overall for the market, we're looking to use another Warren Buffett metric. The GDP to market cap ratio is now poking towards that 140% level. Last time we saw this was in late 99, which marked the top big time in the market. So stocks compared to GDP, certainly not cheap here. And I think overall stocks probably getting a little bit ahead of themselves here. I think the VIX around 16, probably about the right number. I think stocks probably need to drift lower here to get to a valuation range that will attract those value buyers. One stock that's seeing some big time call volume is Skechers. The March 23 weekly calls have seen about 15,000 contracts come in. So I'm doing a simple buy right, buying the shares, selling those comparatively expensive March 40 calls. These buyers had to overpay to get that kind of position, and leading bullishly and also capturing some big time vol. So we'll see which way this market heads, but certainly given the fact we've retraced about 2/3 of the losses here, I think the rest of the upside may be tough to achieve. So until next time, as always, here's the good trading. Take care.